Hello everyone. I am here with a really fun video. We have some really fun new releases that I've just been loving playing with. And one of them is these really awesome, can you see those are green? They're a dark green. Anyway, there's these fun layered kind of vintage stamped journaling cards. And I just wanted to give some fun ideas on what to do with these journaling cards. So I'll link the kits that I've used below. There's a whole set of green ephemera. You'll see it's stuff like this. Excuse me. And then these journaling cards. So I will post that down below for you because they work perfectly together, and I just wanted to have some fun and show some really fun ideas. So idea number one is the simple pocket. So you can use this as a pocket. So I'll just put this one here on this page that I have open, and I'm going to show you how easy this is. Because it has some fun typing on the front, it doesn't need a lot to make it something really special. So you can see that cute little pocket and how fun that would be. I'm scooting it a little bit over to the left side because I'm going to be doing some collage through here. Now this is one of the little bits with the ephemera add-on, and we have this cute little label. And how about we add an eyelet to this? That would be cute up here. Just eyeballing the center. It's kind of deceptive because the grid line isn't center. I think green and gold will look good together. Let's do a gold eyelet. And obviously you could do some extra stamping or whatnot. All right, there's that. So let's do that for now. And then here's some other little ephemera bits. There's also a whole butterfly collection that is just amazing. I'm debating if I should leave this open as a tiny little tuck. I think I'm gonna leave it as an option, and we'll see if it works with what the other things we're doing. If not, that's okay. It's hard to cover up any of these cute cards, but it's okay, I promise. We're gonna come over to the edge with that. Our cute little butterfly. You kind of just never go wrong with a butterfly, you know? I don't want to cover up these numbers here because I just love them too much. Just get a cute little number here. Oh, I covered them right up. I don't want to do that. Let's come down here a little further. There we go. Now let's see. We need a teeny tiny little thing if we're going to put anything in that little pocket. Have glued it shut. Oh no, I didn't. That one's too thick, but we have this cute little number. That would be cute. So if you want, you could add that cute little thing into the pocket there, which would be fun. I think it's fine either way. Excuse me. So just an idea, if you want something, you could put a little hole in there or something so everybody knows, hey, that's something you could take off and use. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. We are releasing some physical products soon, and one of them is a collection of little teeny spools of baker's twine in lots of different colors, because you know you don't want to buy often, like one of the whole huge spools. So we've done some little mini cards of multicolors, so you can get tons of colors. I'm really excited to release these physical products. That'll be a few weeks, so stay tuned. It's coming, but we're really excited about that. Okay, so you can turn them into a little pocket. That's one of the ideas. All right, let's go through here, find another kind of neutrally paper. Oh, I do like this one. Come on, you. I think we just need it very neutrally. I think this one will do right here. All right, this one I wanted to make like a little flip. So I'll show you how I'm going to do this. It's going to be attached to here, and this will act as our hinge. So the first thing I want to do is fold this, fold this right here in half, like so. I'm going to give that a good press down because that's going to be our hinge. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to glue. First of all, let's glue it to our flip out. Just going to line that up along that edge right there. Let that dry. Giving this a good amount of glue. Let's come on over here. I want that on the paper. There we go. So what we've just created is just a little flip out, a really simple little hinge. And I gotta let that dry. All right, so on the front of this, I just wanted to create a really fun collage. Keep in mind it's okay if it hangs over the edge, but you don't want to glue it because that's going to be needing to open and close. So let's start with our cute little fussy cut flower. And I'll leave that hanging over that edge just a bit, just to add that dimensional look. And let's see what else we might want to add here. I like this little number. I don't like covering up so much of the flower. All right, I like that. So I need to do not this edge and not the bottom. So it needs to be something like that. Make sure we didn't glue it down. Awesome. And then we have our cute little sign right here, just to really give it some nice layering. Okay, so how I want to do this so it stays down is I want to barely cover it under there. So it'll be like a little latch, I guess. But this is folded and I don't need both ends for this particular use. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half with my giant scissors because I don't know where my other ones went. All right, so that's going to come here. You barely need that to go over here to overlap that. It would be really fun too to have an eyelet in that just to add a little bit of interest to with a metal element. So let's try it and see if it works. It might be too much, but I think it'll work well. So let's try. Why not? What have we got to lose? Yep, that should work. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put a good amount of glue down here. We really want this to be secure because it's gonna be holding that page down. So we're gonna go ahead and put glue there, but leaving that part open so it can go underneath. Now I'm just going to give that a quick hold. And then you can just pop that open. You could journal in the back. We could do a little extra image or collage back in here and then leave a spot for journaling. Either way, it will be really fun to open that up and have something interesting to look at. So for now, I'm not going to decorate that. I'm just showing the uses of the journaling cards. So the other way you can use it is to make a cute little flip with it. Really simple, really fun. Takes up that whole page and just makes it beautiful. Let me zoom in for you. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's see. The last one. Oh, I know. A tuck belly band. Let's see. I'm going to need another neutrally paper. This would be pretty with those leaves in the background. Let's do that one. Okay, so what we have here is we have our journal card, and we're going to turn this into a corner tuck spot. We're just going to simply do that by gluing 2 sides down. I really love these journal cards. There's just so many fun uses. All right, so we've made that a journal, a tuck spot. So if you just have this piece of ephemera or any piece that you have, you can tuck that here in that corner like so. And what we're gonna create on the front is just a mini belly band. So this is in the kit, like all of these pieces are there. You can use them however you want. But to create that belly band effect, I'm just gonna put a little glue on both sides. Another option you could do is put eyelets in it and then glue, but there's not a ton of extra room on the edges, so I just wanted to keep it nice and simple with my glue. All right, so we have this cute tiny little ephemera that can go in here. I guess we have the other half of this. Let's do it. We have the other half of that tab that we used on the other page. So let's go ahead and put that here. It'll just be that signal that, hey, you can pull me out. And I think it'd be way fun to put, let's do it. Let's do an eyelet here. I don't know what is in my throat. It's kind of smoggy in the air around here. We have some fires all around us, so hope everyone is staying safe. All right, let's see. Oh, I have some of this baker's twine. It's just kind of fun to have the different colors of baker's twine. I've never done it because it's just a lot of extra money to buy a big roll of all of them. So being able to just have a little is awesome. All right, so that's going to come right in there. Now, I wanted to incorporate this somehow, but still keep it so you can tuck that in and out. So the way I'm going to do that is I just need to glue down this part and then the very edges over here. So just my 2 edges really. I can get down here. And these 2 edges here, just leaving it open where it needs to be open. All right, I think that'll do it. Let's just make sure that we're not gluing anything down. I think we're safe. Yes. And then we can maybe add, that would be cute. Or that's cute too. I kind of like it with it all up there. Let's do it. All right, so I'm just going to glue this center down here so it hits only the belly band right here. And I'm just eyeballing where that is. I put it in the center. You don't have to. You can put it anywhere you want. That's the fun of it. Let's see. I can come down further here. There we go. So I was just making sure that I wouldn't be gluing my tag in by making sure I'm not putting glue on the back side right here. Now let's see, is there anything else I want to add? There's this tiny little ticket. It covers up a lot of my plant. I don't want to do that. There are a lot of tiny little bits in this, and I gotta say, we have a new toy and it has been an absolute lifesaver. I'll tell you all about it. We're going to be making a video. Well, that's fun with the other circle, but I think it's a little big. I could put a little tab. That would be cute. I want to just do that. I'm going to put a little tab sticking off the page. Okay, so there it is. There's just 3 ways that you can use these journal cards and layer them with all this really fun ephemera. Let me zoom in on that one for you. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, so we have this one. You can use it as a tuck spot with that additional extra belly band. Now I have to just find them. Oh, here's one. This one's our flip open. Cute little journaling spot back in there. I'll zoom up on that for you. And the first one we did was, let me find it. Oh, there's some cute pages we've been doing in here. I love to see them. Oh, there it is. It's just this simple little pocket. Simple pocket with a cute little collage there and a tag. And then this teeny tiny tuck spot that we made too. So really fun, really simple ideas, but they're really beautiful and they add so much to a page and they're fun to do. So anyway, we have a couple other fun things that we've done with this kind of set of Fussies and journaling cards. So we'll try to get those all linked up in one place. But anyway, there's just 3 ideas with this. And ideas for journaling cards of different ways to use them. So I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you have a fabulous day. We will talk to you later. Bye.